Hi everyone, my name is Tina Adams Stoffel from tinasfinearts.com. I'm here to give you a quick tip for today. Today's quick tip is about painting and it's about Mahl sticks. It's spelled M-A-H-L. A Mahl stick, well, it's basically a tool that will help you when you get in a little rut painting and need to reach a difficult area. This is my Mahl stick. It's a wiffle ball, goes on a 1/2-inch dowel rod. Slides on just like that, simple, easy. What these do is, let me turn this around just a little bit. All right, there you go. So this will hook onto the end of your canvas, give you a little bit of room. So this lifts off the canvas and you can put your hand here without actually getting your hand in the paint and messing up your painting when you need to go in and work on fine details. I hope you found this helpful, and if you do, please subscribe here at YouTube and both tinasfinearts.com. We'll have more tips coming for you soon. I hope you enjoyed, and if you do, please share with your friends. Thank you.